In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a book in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide. To make a book in Minecraft, you will need a few simple materials before you begin. Gather 3 pieces of paper and 1 piece of leather. You will also need access to a crafting table. Make sure these items are ready in your inventory so the process goes smoothly. Once you have everything prepared, place your crafting table and open it. This will give you the larger crafting grid that you need for this recipe. The crafting table is important here because it gives you enough space to arrange the materials correctly. Now place the 3 paper across the top row of the crafting grid. Put 1 piece of paper in the top left slot, 1 in the top middle slot, and 1 in the top right slot. This creates the paper portion of the recipe and sets up the first part of the book. After that, take the leather and place it in any open slot that is still empty in the crafting grid. The leather does not need to go in one exact position for this recipe. As long as the 3 paper are across the top row and the leather is placed in one of the remaining empty slots, the recipe will work. When the recipe is placed correctly, the book will appear in the result box. Select the book and move it into your inventory. Once it is in your inventory, the crafting process is complete and your book is ready to use. Books are useful for several recipes in Minecraft, so this is a good item to know how to craft. You can use books later for things like bookshelves, enchanting tables, or book and quills depending on what you want to make next. For this recipe though, the only thing you need to focus on is arranging the 3 paper and 1 leather correctly in the crafting table. That is the full process. Gather 3 paper and 1 leather, open your crafting table, place the paper across the top row, put the leather in any remaining slot, and then move the finished book into your inventory. And that is all there is to it.